Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover after a sale with Berkshire Hathaway, full guide step by step clearly. To recover after a sale with Berkshire Hathaway, first, assess your current emotional state. Take a moment to reflect on the sale experience. Acknowledge any feelings of stress or anxiety that may have arisen during the transaction. Next, review your sales process. Identify what worked well and what didn't. This analysis will be crucial for future opportunities. Reach out to your clients post-sale. Send them a personalized thank you message. This gesture strengthens your relationship and shows appreciation. Consider scheduling a follow-up call. Use this time to ask about their experience and satisfaction. Gather feedback to improve your services and address any concerns. Next, focus on self-care. Engage in activities that help you relax and recharge. This may include exercise, meditation, or hobbies. Reconnect with your support network. Share your experiences and seek advice from peers or mentors. Set new goals based on what you've learned from the sale. Outline actionable steps to achieve these objectives. Stay organized by updating your database and tracking system. Ensure all relevant client information is current and accessible. Continue your education in sales techniques and market trends. Invest in professional development resources through workshops or courses. Consider networking with other Berkshire Hathaway associates. Join local or online groups to exchange insights and strategies. Finally, maintain a positive mindset. Embrace the lessons learned and view challenges as opportunities for growth. With dedication and persistence, you'll find success in your next sales endeavor. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.